Welcome back. You've seen this before. Contact 2 magnets. I'm now going to show you something that is not used in the alarm industry because it's so bad that it's good. It actually makes this thing open circuit. It's useful for very simple things like knowing has a cupboard door been opened. It's no use for an alarm whatsoever, but it is something that's of interest, shall we say. As I said, reed switch, 2 magnets. What's this? The buzzer starts. When I put the magnet back, buzzer stops. Take it away, buzzer starts, stops. The reason that it works is that this magnet is cancelling out this magnet. It literally depends upon the magnets. You might get a few times and get ½ an inch. Sometimes you only get ¼ of an inch. It literally depends. So it is trial and error, but it is something that's totally useless. No relays, no nothing. Everything is as it was. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.